Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my easy morning makeup tutorial. So let's get started. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Skin Perfecting Illuminating Primer because I need a bit of shine and dewiness in my base in the winters. So this is how I do. I use an illuminating base under my foundation to achieve that. Nicely massaging in my skin, tapping inside my skin. After that, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Corrector. This is a peach corrector. Just where I can see a bit of blueness under the eyes. This one is perfect for fair to medium skin tone. Now I'm gonna blend it with my pack brush, the concealer brush. Nicely buffing into the skin, as you can see. Next, I'm going to use my Cover FX Power Play Concealer. This is in the shade Medium 3, G Medium 3 actually. It's about my skin tone, same as my skin tone, and perfect for concealing under the eyes, around my mouth. Now I'm going to do a bit of cream contouring with my favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toast, I guess. Everything is going to be listed in the description box below, so make sure to check it. Also, if you're liking this video so far, so just make sure that you are subscribing to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Just contouring the areas where we usually contour with this cream product. Now I'm gonna apply my new favorite foundation. This is from Makeup Forever. This is a stick foundation, HD stick foundation, which is very creamy and it's a full coverage and buildable as well. Love the coverage and love how it blends all the products so seamlessly into my skin. Also, it gives a very flawless finish to the skin, which I love the most. And you guys, this is my new favorite foundation. Now I'm gonna apply my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Porcelain, just under the eyes, usually where we highlight our face, the high points, so that it's gonna give me that sculpted look. You could actually skip this step if you don't need, and if you like a natural look, you could just finish your look with a compact powder that I'll be doing next. You could see how amazing it's looking. The base is looking flawless. And I like how this concealer blends into my skin, giving me that airbrush look. Now I'm going to use a bit of Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics to just chisel out my face. This comes with a small cute brush, which is very cute and very easy to blend. It just fits properly on the cheekbones. You can see It instantly is giving me that sculpted look that I want. And it's easy, the brush is very easy to do the nose contour as well. Now I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. This is in the shade NC30. And I'm just gonna very ever so slightly dust off the baking that I had done previously. For baking, the powder that I had used is from Krylon Professionals in the number TL number 4. It's a yellow banana powder which just instantly brightens up my high points of my face, which I really love. Now you can see how amazing and sculpted, and the base is like giving the finished look that I need. I really like this powder. If you are an oily skin type, you will love it. Now I'm going to use my MAC Fiber Gel. This is a tinted eyebrow gel which has very small bits of fibers in it, which will help your eyebrows to thicken up. Really love this one. This is in the shade, I guess, Spiked. Now I'm going to use the same gel to dot out some freckles on my cheeks. I really enjoy this kind of look recently. It gives you that very natural looking skin. And to make it look more natural and not made up, I'm gonna just lightly blend it into my skin with my finger. Now I'm gonna use my very favorite, all-time favorite blush palette. This is from NYX and I really like all the shades in it, especially the pink tones. So I'm going to use all the pink tones and just put it on my apple of the cheeks. You can see instantly the color that it gives. It's looking very natural on my skin. I really like this look for a daily, everyday kind of, It's so pretty. It just makes your face look lively. This is so good, you guys. I really like this product and it's a very big investment, I feel. Now I'm going to set my face with the PAC Micro Finishing Fixing Spray. This is a really nice spray. Really like it. Now I'm going to use my all-time favorite highlighter from Fentybeauty. This is in the shade How Many Carats. Really like the name. It's very unique as well. And you can see how luminous it's making my skin. I hate it when the highlighter chunks show up on the camera. I like it when it looks very luminous and skin-like. I like this kind of highlighters. Now I'm going to use the same blush that I had used on my cheeks. And just building the color just at the outer area. Now just repeating the same steps on the other eyes. You can see how beautiful the eyes are looking. The shape is well defined. And I always like to, whenever I'm doing a everyday look, I like to use a blush or a bronzer that I have used on my face as an eyeshadow, so that it looks equal. The face doesn't look the eyes doesn't look a bit weird or something. This is like my go-to eye makeup recently. Really enjoy doing this. Now I'm using the same blush on the eye waterline as well, just smudging it, giving it a nice smudged off look. You can see how natural and defined my eyes are looking. I really love this. Now I'm just ever so slightly curling my lashes, as they are very small and thin. I like to curl it upwards, or else whenever I put in mascara coat it looks straight, so I like to curl it upwards to give it like a bit of definition to my eyes. Now I'll be using my favorite mascara from Maybelline. This is the Hyper Curl mascara. This is actually a newest limited edition, the Olivia collaboration. I think we still do get it on Nykaa, but you guys need to check. This just gives my lashes a bit of lengthening, not a lot of volume, but nice lengthening effect, which I love it. Oh my god, the faces I make while applying mascara, it's really funny. Now I'm gonna apply this beautiful red lip liner from LA Girl. It's this deep blue toned red, which I love the most for daily wear. It's actually very pretty cherry red color. The shades and everything will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you are checking it out. You can see how deeply pigmented the color is, as well as very creamy. The best part of this lip liner is it's a retractable lip liner, so you don't need to sharpen it, and it's very creamy product. Also, this is best for Indian skin tone. This color is just perfect red. Buying this beautiful MAC lipstick. This is the Powder Kiss lipstick range in the shade Stay Curious. It is a very pretty muted pink shade. As you can see, it's gonna suit all the skin tones. It's so pretty. Thanks for watching you all. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video, and make sure you're subscribing to my channel so you will be notified first whenever I post a new video.